अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू रब्बिशरह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. This is the sixth ruku of Surah Baqarah. Here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the ruku started from children of Israel. Ya Bani Israel, O children of Israel, remember my favor which I bestowed upon you. So here also the whole ruku Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is reminding the children of Israel the favors which He has bestowed onto them. Okay, now let's start. This is verse number 49. Wa means and, is means when, and when is means when. Izan means in that case. And when najjaynakum, najjayna, this word is actually najjayna plus kum. Kum means you, and this na gives the meaning of we. Nijat word is coming here. Okay, nijat means to save, and when we saved kum, you, and when we saved you, min ali, min means from, man means who. Min means from, man means who. From Ali Fir'aun, people of Pharaoh. Yasumunakum, what the people of Pharaoh was doing? And this wanun will give the meaning of they all. Sum means afflict. They all were afflicting kum, you. They all were afflicting you. Su al azab, horrible azab, punishment or horrible torment. They were afflicting you evil punishment or evil chastisement. What was that evil chastisement? Yuzabbihuna, ya and wanun, again it will give the meaning of they all. Zabaha word is coming here. Zabaha is the root word here, means to slaughter. Zabaha means to slaughter. Abna'akum, your sons. Abna means one son. Ibn means one son. Abna will be its plural. Abna'a means sons. Okay, your sons. Wayastahyuna, and ya and wanun, again it will give the meaning of they all used to let live, and they all spare or they all used to let live. Hayat word, ya is the root word here. Okay, they all used to let live. Nisa'akum, your women. Wafi zalikum, what the people of Pharaoh was afflicting children of Israel, the punishment, what was the torment which was afflicted by people of Pharaoh to the children of Israel? It was they all used to kill their sons, they all used to slaughter their sons, and they all used to let live their women. Wafi, and in zalikum, that, and in that punishment, in that torment, and in that bala was a trial, mir rabbikum, from your Lord, azim, great. Okay, there was a big trial, big punishment, big trial from your Lord. And when we saved you from the people of Pharaoh, we saved you from the people of Pharaoh. Okay, they all were afflicting you. Su al azab, evil torment, evil punishment. Torment, azab means torment or punishment. Torment or punishment. Su'a means evil. Su'a means evil or horrible here. It will be horrible. Torment. The torment was they all used to slaughter your sons, and they all used to let live your women. Wafi zalikum, and in that torment, and in that there was a trial from your Lord, great. What is and when? Again Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is reminding them one more favor. Okay, this was one favor. which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is reminding the children of Israel? This is the second favor which he is reminding. And when faraqna, we parted, faraqa is the root word here. Faraqa is the root word here, means to separate something. Okay, that's why this Quran Majid is also called as Furqan, means a book which makes differentiation between what is right and what is wrong. That's why it is called as Furqan. To part, here we parted. Faraqa, this is past tense. Faraqa, he parted. Faraqa, the two parted. Faraqu, they all parted. Faraqat, she parted. Faraqata, they two feminine parted. Faraqna means they all feminine parted or separated. Then second person will be faraqta. Second person will be, that was the third person. Second person will be faraqta. Faraqta, you one male parted or separated something. Faraqtuma means you two male parted or separated something. Faraqtum means you all male parted or separated something. Then for feminine it will be faraqti. Faraqti means you one feminine parted or separated something. Faraqtuma will be same here. Then here it will be faraqtunna. This will be same. Then faraqtunna. Faraqtunna. Okay, and first person it will be faraqtu. Faraqtu means I parted or I separated something. Faraqtu, and its plural part will be faraqna, means we parted or we separated something. And when we parted or we separated, bikum, for you, b plus kum, for you, al-bahar, the sea. Okay, and when we parted or we parted for you, al-bahar, the sea. For anjaynakum, then anjaynakum, you. This kum gives you the meaning of you. Nijat word is again, you can see here. Then we saved you. Anjayna plus kum. Then we saved you. Wa aghraqna, and this you refers to the children of Israel. Here we refers to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is royal plural. Then we saved you. Wa aghraqna, and aghraqna, we drowned. Ghain raqa is the qaf is the root word here. Okay, we drowned. Ghain raqa is the root word here. And we drowned Ali Fir'aun, the people of Pharaoh. Wa antum, and antum means you. This is detached pronoun. And you, tanzurun, ta and wanun will give the meaning of you all. Nazara is the root word here. Noon, zoin, ra is the root word here. You all were looking, to look. Okay, to look. And you all were looking. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is reminding when the Pharaoh and the people of Pharaoh were following them, and Musa alayhi salam and the children of Israel was on the edge of the river, on the bank of a sea. Then what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did to save them, just he told Musa alayhi salam to just put your staff onto this and the river got parted, and then they across the river. And when the children of Israel, they crossed the river, and the same path was following by the Pharaoh. So when the Pharaoh and followers were in between the sea got merged again and they all got drowned. So this was the story.